Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong March 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Caps, let's see. March 16 to 31, energy for you. Okay, this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, energy ng iyong money, your career, your health, and your love life. Bottom of the deck, the Two of Swords, major decision. Parang naghahanap ka kung ano yung makakabuting gagawin for your situation. Kasi may dalawang tools dito. So, hinahanap mo kung alin tools dito ang magagamit mo na kung saan mas effective, mas kailangan talaga para sa ginagawa mo. So, you may be deciding which path to take for your career, for your business. And this is also trusting your instinct. You know, you have the strength that you need to make this decision. Magtiwala ka sa kakayanan mo. Okay, overall energy. You have the Apprentice of Wands. Meron kang gustong ma-experience na something new sa buhay mo. This is, yung free-flowing. Alam mo yung adventurous yung energy nito. So, you want to go on an adventure ngayong second half ng March. You will experience new things. You will follow, magsusundan mo kung saan ka dadalhin nitong adventure na to. So, yung iba naman, pwedeng may unexpected travel. Going to a place na you've never been before. Your opportunity, your challenge pala, is the Ten of Cups. So, challenge sa relationships sa family, challenge sa parents. This can also mean na pwedeng meron kang kailangang ayusin na responsibilities mo within your family. But I think, itong Ten of Cups kasi is about coming together for a purpose. So, you really need help from your loved ones, from your family. Kumbaga, unity ang importante rito. Nagkakasundo kayo para masolusyonan anuman tong challenge na to na pinagdadaanan mo or pagdadaanan mo within your family. And then your opportunity is the Eight of Cups. You have the opportunity to leave a situation. Meron kayong parang hindi nyo maiwan-iwan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Parang alam mo yung feeling na, example yung energy na ganito, na ikaw ay breadwinner, tapos gusto mong mag-provide para sa family mo, pero walang magandang opportunity at this time. And then you see an opportunity sa ibang bansa. So, syempre, kung nandun yung opportunity, mahirap para sa'yo na iwanan yung family mo. So, pwedeng ito yung challenge nga sa family na meron kang mga sacrifices na kailangan gawin for your family to pursue ang isang bagay na alam mong in the end, magbe-benefit rin yung family nyo. So, this is like an opportunity to make some sacrifices for your family para sa ikabubutin ninyo in the future. Ganon. So, maaring may opportunity ka to explore your passion, what you really want, and at the same time, meron kailangang iwanan. And then your blessing is the Ace, Apprentice of Swords. As a blessing, this is like a eureka moment sa'yo na meron kang magandang idea na malalaman, or it's like learning something, tapos may mabubuo kang idea out of it. For example, may pinapanood ka na na video about a business ng isang tao. Tapos, na-inspire ka dun sa business niya, and nakapag-isip ka ng iba pang business out of that business. Okay? You get my point? So, it's like creative inspiration for you. You will be blessed with this creative inspiration. And then, for your money, 9 of Pentacles, wow. 9 of Pentacles is financial stability. This is having the things that you need. It's like more than the things that you need. So, sa finances, lalo na kung ikaw yung tipong nag-aalala palagi, iwasan mo yung pag-aalala at mag-focus ka doon sa ano yung kaya mong gawin ngayon to generate income. And hayaan mo ang universe ang magbigay sa iyo ng opportunities hanggat hindi ka umaayaw sa opportunities. Kasi 'di ba? Andyan lagi naman yung opportunity. Minsan ayaw lang natin dahil baka hindi siya convenient, 'di ba? Kailangan na magsakripisyo. Syempre, ayaw natin 'yon. Kaya hindi na ibibigay sa atin. So, for you, when it comes to your money, you don't have to worry about it sa totoo lang. Kailangan mo lang talagang magpatuloy sa kung anong resources na meron ka. Use your resources. And kung kaya mong mag-explore, then explore. Your career, 8 of Wands. A lot of things to do. Marami kang kailangan gawin. Maaring meron kang hinahabol na target or deadline, but you will be able to accomplish it. Kasi may mga times na hindi mo muna pinapansin, pero last minute magagawa mo naman. 'Di ba? And for your career, movement kasi to speed. So maaring may growth. You will experience career growth or more opportunities coming into you. Sa health naman, you have the Elder of Swords. Some of you are dealing with some mental health issues na parang tinatago mo lang, or you don't wanna talk about it, no? Ayaw mo pag-usapan. Pero kailangan mo talaga tong i-address, especially if it's affecting your productivity. Kasi may mga times na ino-overthink mo yung maraming bagay to the point na hindi ka na makakilos sa kaka-overthink mo. So this is something that you need to reassess in your situation. So this is about your mental health. And then your love life, 9 of Swords. I think marami ring factors talaga na nakaka-apekto sa mental health mo ngayon. Pwedeng may challenge sa relationship mo. Maraming mga taong gumugulo sa isip mo. Pwedeng responsibility sa relationships. Ano man tong relationships na to. But for you, it's like masyado na siyang overwhelming. Parang too overwhelming for you to handle. Kaya kailangan mo ng magdesisyon. Person of Earth, this is your energy. Taking a risk. And strengthening your body, strengthening your mind. Alam nyo, kung kayo ay hindi nag-exercise, I suggest mag-exercise kayo, go for a walk, 15 minutes, or stretching. Kasi it will really, meron tong magandang magagawa para sa iyong kaisipan. Ayan o, something is, merong anxiety rito. So, pwedeng, something is causing you stress. Can be stress sa relationship. and sa responsibilities. Oo, Buffalo, abundance. See, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, Capricorn. Iwasan yung mag-overthink sa needs niyo. As long as you're doing what you can, just go for it. May travel din. Travel opportunities for you. This can be dahil sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. Listen, people start to heal the moment they feel heard. Sometimes, no, parang kailangan nyo na may kausap. Makakapagbigay sa inyo ng advice about your situation. Yes, and reassess the situation. You have the right to change your mind. So, meron ka raw karapatan na magbago ang isip mo sa mga naging decision mo na in the past. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.